Do you want to know 6 shocking secrets that will make him miss you like crazy? Well, these are not things that you've been told before. These are actually things that you should never tell him, because if he knows them, he will start missing you like crazy. So without further ado, let's get started with number 1. No one. Tell him how much you enjoy your own company. This is such a powerful trick that most people don't even realize it exists. See, men love women who have their own life going on. He wants to be with someone who has her own interests, her own hobbies, and who enjoys her own company. That means when you re-on a date with him or you re-texting him or talking to him, subtly mention some of the things that you enjoy doing by yourself. Things like, oh, I was just thinking yesterday, I need to go get my nails done again. I really need to find a new yoga studio around here. The one that I was going to before just closed down, so I really need to find a new one. Or maybe you could talk about something that you enjoyed doing when you were younger that you want to pick back up again. It could be anything from dancing, to painting, to playing an instrument. Whatever it is that you enjoy doing, start mentioning it more often. And this will subconsciously program in his mind that you re someone who doesn't need him all the time because you can keep yourself entertained. It'll also make him admire you more because he'll see that you re a very independent woman who can take care of herself. No. 2. Tell him how much you love your family and friends. Similar to the previous tip. Telling him how much you love your family and friends will show him that you re a woman who has a full and happy life outside of him. Men want to be with women who have their own support system because it shows that they do and need him all the time. It also shows that you're a caring and loving person who values her relationships. When you talk to him, bring up your family and friends more often. Tell him cute stories about them. Tell him how much you appreciate them. Tell him how much you love them. Not only will this make him miss you more, he'll also start respecting you and admiring you more. No. 3. Show him that you're living your best life. Another way to make him miss you like crazy is to show him that you're reliving your best life. This means posting pictures and videos on social media that show you having fun with your friends, doing things that you love, and just living your best life. When he sees that you're living your best life without him, he'll start to feel like he's missing out, and he'll want to be a part of it. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm not on social media. Well, then it is time to get on social media if you want him to chase after you like a puppy. But seriously, if you don't want to get on social media, then at least make sure that your friends are posting pictures and videos of you. If not, then you need to ask them to do so. You want them to see that you're having fun and enjoying yourself? You can even post videos of yourself dancing or singing. You can post pictures of yourself looking beautiful and confident. Just make sure that everything you're posting is tasteful and classy. You do want to be posting anything that is too revealing or too provocative, because that is gonna make him lose interest. What you want to do is make him feel like he's missing out on something really special. Number 4. Tell him how much you value your career. A lot of women make the mistake of putting their relationship with a man above everything else in their life, including their career. And while it's important to make time for your relationship, it's also important to make time for your career. Men love to see a woman who is driven and ambitious. So if you're constantly putting your relationship with him above your career, he's going to start taking you for granted. On the other hand, if you show him that you're a woman who has big goals and dreams for her career, he's going to respect and admire you even more. So next time you talk to him, don't be afraid to mention your career goals. Let him know that you're not just looking to be a stay-at-home wife, but that you have big plans for your future. Not only will this make him miss you more, but it will also make him want to be with someone who is on the same level as him. No. 5. Tell him how much you love and cherish your body. This one is a good one. Most women think that in order to attract and keep a man, they have to be super thin or super curvy. But the truth is, men love women with all body types. What men really love is confidence. So the best thing you can do is embrace the body that you have and love it. When you talk to him, don't be afraid to show off a little skin. Wear tight jeans or a tight dress. Show off those curves, girl. Or if you're more of a tomboy type, then wear something that shows off your legs or your arms. Whatever you do, make sure that you're confident in what you're wearing. Men are attracted to confidence, so don't be afraid to show off a little bit of skin. It'll make him miss you even more. Number 6. Tell him how much you love and cherish your body. This is another good one. Don't be afraid to tell him how much you love and cherish your body. Men love women who are confident in their own skin, so don't be afraid to show off a little bit. Let him know that you're not afraid to be sexual, and that you love your body. He'll respect you for it, and he'll want you even more. And there you have it, 6 secrets that will make him miss you like crazy. Remember, these are not things that you should tell him directly. They should be things that you do and say subtly. If he starts to notice that you're not available all the time and that you have your own life going on, he'll start to miss you like crazy. Follow these tips and watch him come running back to you. But before you go, I need some feedback. What is the no? One thing that has helped you get a man to chase after you? Please share it in the comments below. And if you're new here, please subscribe because we have a ton of videos that can help you get any man to chase after you. And if you want some more tips on how to make a man obsessed with you, then check out these videos right here.